This is unit 10, Parkview, a 3-bedroom. Come into the foyer, large closet. This has a private washer dryer and a sink. This is the original tile. It's very solid. We did do a couple minor repairs. It's all new Kohler plumbing fixtures. Do have a medicine cabinet. Quartz countertop. And this is the first of 3 bedrooms. This building does have gas hot water heat. There's the radiator. And it has a supplemental heat and air conditioning. Looks out to a nice quiet alley. Every bedroom does have its own closet. Second bedroom. Lots of natural light. This is the kitchen. New appliances, quartz countertop on the island, countertops, glass top stove, space saver microwave, and that does vent to the outside. Great size family room. Lots of natural light. And the third bedroom. These units are furnished. Just needs a little personality with lamps and such. Nice large closet. Second bathroom. These are cast iron tubs. A shower. And the bathrooms have a nice medicine cabinet. Drawers. So these were fully remodeled August 2024. So this is a 3-bedroom at Parkview.